Hi, my name's Rachel and welcome to How to Connect with Goddess Conventina. Conventina is the Romano-British goddess of the water, of purification and of inspiration. She is the lady of the springs and the wells, though she is also sacred to many bodies of water, such as ponds and streams and lakes. In this role, she is also the mother of all the water nymphs. And she is a powerful goddess that will be able to help you in your connection with water and the themes of water, which include embracing and calling in flow into all areas of your life, as well as removing blockages, receiving inspiration. She can also help you to clear and unblock and cleanse the waters within your body, as well as the waters of the land. So here are my top 3 tips for connecting with her. My first tip is wishes. And the way that we throw coins into the wells now is really continuation of the tradition of making offerings to Conventina. So her primary shrine here in the UK was a large body of water, a natural spring, and in there was found many, 13,000 coins, I think it was, and that were made in offering to her. So making wishes to her in the water is a tradition that's happened for a very, very, very long time, and also well dressings as well. So I invite you to make a wish. She is also a goddess that is connected very much to the heart. She's a very loving and kind and generous goddess, and she sees and knows all that's in your heart. So I invite you now to write down, or to perhaps think of, reflect on a wish that you would like to make to her, and to get really honest, real integrity, think about your authenticity, and bring forth a wish that you want to make to her. So I know that sometimes we all wish for maybe lots of money or a big car, but think of something that really is true and resonates for your heart, and just hold that now or write it down, and we're going to use it with my next 2 tips. My second tip is to connect to the colour blue, which is the colour, symbolic and natural colour of the waters. So there's many ways you can connect with the colour blue. You can wear it like I am, using it in your decoration, maybe on your altar cloth. You have things like blue cloths, blue candles as well. You might want to bring water into your ritual space or altar as well. You may also want to use blue crystals, such as aquamarine or turquoise. So there's many ways you can bring blue in, maybe even journaling. If when you're writing your wish, do it with a blue pen. That would be wonderful as well. Any blue items that you want to bring into ritual space. She also has some symbolic symbols that you can use as well, connected to that. So the water lily, and also a water vessel you can use as well, or like I said, water itself. So they don't have to be blue, but you may want to have those blue if you bring them into your ritual or your space. My third tip is to create a flow ritual. So this is to call in flow and all of the ease and cleansing and purification and renewal that comes with that flow. So the ritual that you're going to create, I want you to go to a well or a spring. If you can't get to any of those natural wells or springs, then find just a body of fresh water. So a river, a stream, a pond or a lake. Create some space and some time to go there that's going to be in honour of her. You may want to take your wish with you that you checked into in the first tip. And while you're there, create a ritual where you're inviting flow. So maybe dance, movement. If not dancing, maybe yoga, meditation, the flow of your breath, journaling, the flow of your hand and your words. And you may also want to do this ritual at a very specific time. So because she is the goddess of renewal, you may want to do this at the beginning and end of times. So this may be the dark moon and the new moon, the end of the month and the first of the month, even the beginning and the end of the year, or the beginning and the end of the month. So Sunday into Monday. And when you're doing this ritual, I invite you to bring forth affirmations such as I flow, I invite flow into, I release, I surrender, I cleanse, I purify. And just complete those sentences with whatever resonates in your heart, or maybe something in connection to your wish. And you can bring all those items that we mentioned in the second tip as well, all those blue items to support this. So those are my top 3 tips, and I hope that they support you in your connection to Conventina. If you want to find out more, then you can always just comment below or connect to me. I'm a best-selling author of Goddess Mythology, and I'll post a link down below so you can find out all about my books and purchase them and enjoy them. You can also come along to my Facebook group and my community there, where we gather together to celebrate, to reflect on, and to work with Goddess, ancient mythology, and the earth mysteries. So thank you so much for watching, sending you many, many blessings, and may Conventina bless you with flow and ease in your life. Blessed be.